Hello everybody, this is Tom and I got Jody here with me again.
Hello.
And what do we want to do today, Jody? How about let's talk about graphs. We just
Graphs.
did reports, so
I
let's talk about
love the
graphs.
graphs.
Uh, Company managers love graphs, and if you're a clinic, your customers love graphs. So let's just go look at a couple of them. We have two types: test performed status by results and test performed status by types. That's kind of complicated, but let's just go look at it. Okay? And let me get a begin and end date in here again. I'm going to do the whole year like I always do, and we're going to do companies like we always do. Now, let's say that, and here you can only pick one, of course. So let's say for York Health, let's go see what this graph looks like. Well, look here, York Health, dates covered, these dates right here, and it says they have 41 employees. They have performed 35 drug tests, and they have performed 5 alcohol tests.
Nice.
So that's really useful information. Okay. Likewise, you can do it for consortium. The trucking consortium, they have 23 employees. They've done 25 drug tests. They are overdoing it, and they have performed 4 alcohol tests.
And these are so nice. You can take them into meetings, and if
Yes,
you wanted to, you could even send them to a customer.
absolutely. If you're a clinic, your customers are going to love this. So that's one type of graph that we have. And you can print these graphs. I'm not going to do that, but you can right click on here. You can actually right click on these and change properties. You can print from here. You can save it as a PNG file. You can print it to your printer.
Nice.
All kinds of stuff. We're not going to go into that today. I just want to show the capabilities of the graph. So that's the first type of graph we have, which basically shows you how many employees you have for this begin and end date, how many drug tests did you perform, and how many alcohol tests did you perform.
Very good.
So now let's go back here. I've created it. Let's go back here and let's look at this one. So this is the other type of graph. And there's a plane going overhead. We were worried he was going to hit us there for a minute. All right, we come here. Now let's do York Health again. Now watch what this graph shows you. Again, how many employees, how many tests you've done. Now it's showing you negatives, positives, and neithers. Neithers like shy lung or
Right.
So this managers love, and if you're a clinic, your companies are going to love.
Yeah.
It says how many employees they have, how many tests they performed, how many were negative, how many were positive, and how many were neither.
Very nice.
So a company can quickly look at this and see if they have a problem or not. Consortiums, same thing. And you'll notice that the company's graphs, and you can just keep doing this over and over, the company graphs come up gray, and the consortium graphs come up yellow, just so once you get used to it, you'll know what you're looking at. So that's pretty nifty.
Yeah,
So that's we did the reports. Now I wanted to show these graphs, and I'm going to wrap it up with that. So that's how you create graphs. And again, your managers, if you're a single company, or your customers, if you're a medical clinic, are going to love these graph capabilities. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you, Tom.